और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kala pelong da ka jingthang mambati ban penpau ya kadang ka jingsngosi halor ka jingsamait kerteng da kilangot kibrio ya ka bagani gaseng kala keno ba kadei ka jingtu ya ka vote jongki pajba lani ka vote chur. Kaseng Kongres ha kani ke jela kala pelong ya kani ke jingthang mambati ha office jongka ha Kongres Bhawan kabadan ha khandailat ha kabala wan bani shimbenta da kidkhot jong kani kaseng. Kaseng Kongres kala pelong ya kani ka campaign vote chur ha kaleng ki benta jong kari India.
The role of the Election Commission becomes crucial here, not merely as an observer but as the constitutional guardian of democracy. When it fails to act swiftly and decisively against such malpractice, it sends a dangerous signal that powerful political forces can operate above the law. Allegations of selective action, turning a blind eye to blatant violations, and soft treatment towards the ruling party have eroded public trust. Democracy cannot survive on paper promises alone. It requires institutions that stand firm against the misuse of power. If the Election Commission remains silent or biased, it is not just votes that are stolen, it is the very voice of the people that is silenced. So India's democracy deserves better than manipulated mandates and compromised neutrality.
So we are all gathered here because we feel very strongly, we feel that that if we do not stand up today, then who will stand up for the future? So I have got a daughter who is very, very young. I'm here not only for myself, but I'm here also for her because I understand that if I don't speak up, if all of us don't speak up, who will speak up for the voiceless, for the people who cannot voice themselves at the moment? So please, I urge all the citizens of the state, in particular the citizens of Meghalaya, to come and join us. This is not about party politics. Please don't get it wrong. This is not about BJP and the Congress. This is not about the ruling dispensation and about the opposition. This is the very heart, the very essence of the Constitution. Today, we all enjoy our liberties, our freedom. Who is to guarantee, that 10 years from now, if things continue the way they are, who is to guarantee that we'll still enjoy the same liberties that we enjoy today? So this is not a very light issue. This is not about politics. This, like I said earlier, this is about the very heart and soul of democracy. So please, 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 come and join us. Come and join the fight because this is what we need. All of us, irrespective of any political affiliation, we should come, participate, and engage and lodge our protest very, very strongly.
Nakaliang kajungi, nakaliang ko Congress, isim ni kini ni demand kemajuk election commission, baka pinmi ban ay kita electoral vote in digital form nang babaro ngintem bagin ay ya kita ka sim ni kita kecikit klik ba kita ban sim ni kita kecikit klik ka bagin wat tikna ban pen syai hadu mentang marsendap kecing icon press conference ko Rahul Gandhi without checking the facts. Claim check ya kanu facts. You permit that for social media yung misleading. Rekimpet ya data, kim check ya fact and figures untuk ka decision na kamday na permit kita. Dengan kerpa baka ni kecing protest kecungi hagani si menta kalong na menta ban safeguard constitution kecungi ban safeguard na menta kalaway bat ikun semla bat kapateng cungkuri India in perpoi.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya chong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka ching shania naki Pidon kan bendon dekat lisen kepapaka kebela itu dakaan kata ke Food Safety and Standards Act Arjar Henry link bagi section lai puwe iwe kamde ke be bapinyo ek lisen pila ban apply ke online link bagi website fascus.fssai.gov.in dah ke pihak penupload ru jadi kod kisla badan kam kat kum kejat jingkam jongpi pila ru banyak kendo iki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jongu lani ke district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang is khasihers pila benlet bed hak office terekam jongki ke commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakrishnan dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.